Riverside Airport information, November, time 1453 Zulu, wind 0404, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 9, dew point -2, altimeter 3017. ILS approaching 9er News, landing departing runway 27. NOTAMs, Riverside VOR is out of service, runway 9er passenger out of service, and the Riverside Tower will be closed at 1045 local due to staffing and will reopen at 1130 local. Advise you have information November.
Riverside ground, Skylane 94 Mike November, information November, VFR departure to the west.
Skylane 945 Mike November, Riverside ground, is that the call sign?
Skylane 94 Mike November, we have information November, it will be a VFR departure to the west going to Whiteman.
Cessna 94 Mike November, Riverside Tower, roger, and did you want flight following to Whiteman?
AFOM.
Cessna 4 Mike November, maintain at or below 2,500. SoCal departure frequency is 125.5, squawk 0256.
At or below 2,500, departures 25.5 in squawk 0256 for Skylane 94 Mike November. We're coming out of the restaurant on Alpha Hotel and ready taxi.
Number 4 Mike November, roger, runway 27, taxi via Hotel Alpha.
27 via Hotel Alpha for 94 Mike November. And Riverside Tower, Skylane 94 Mike November is coming up on 27, we're ready in sequence.
Cessna 94 Mike November, Riverside Tower, you make a straight departure runway 27, clear for takeoff, wind is calm.
Straight out departure, clear for takeoff, runway 27 for 94 Mike November.
Citation 966 Juliet Mike, Riverside ground, register my, let me find your cards.
Alright, let's go. Trim is set, final is clear. Look at this runway slope.
Yeah, there is.
You can't see the other end of the runway birds. Okay, we 27 checks. Everything is in the green. Airspeed is alive. He wants to fly.
I was about to say, I haven't seen, I'm not looking it up, I can't find it in the system, but it'll come up right now then.
I got that traffic inside. He's staying in the pattern.
Oh, okay, yeah.
At or below 2,500. And departures 25.5 is set there.
Devon Air 15 Mike, frequency change approved yet?
Wolfie, frequency approved. Alpha Mike.
Cessna 4 Mike November, squawk 0257.
0257 for 94 Mike November. He said 0256.
Yeah.
Alright, 1,000 to go.
Cessna 4 Mike November, contact SoCal Port 25.5 yet?
25.5 for 94 Mike November. Good morning.
Morning. Citation 6.
SoCal departure November 738 X-ray Delta, 2,300 feet.
738 X-ray Delta, SoCal departure, IDEN, altimeter 3018.
IDEN, altimeter 3018, November 738 X-ray Delta, request climb to 5,500 feet.
Left runway 26 right approach. PS 5961 heavy, reduced speed now to 190. Frontier 1699, descend to maintain 4,300.
Maintain 4,300, Frontier Flight 1699.
Sonic Pack 310, maintain 7,000, SoCal departure 134.0.
2,500.
8 X-ray Delta radar contact, climb approved to 5,500, altimeter 3018.
Climb approved to 5,500, altimeter 3018, November 738 X-ray Delta.
SoCal Skylane 94 Mike November 2,300.
94 Mike November, SoCal departure IDEN, altimeter 3018.
3018 and ident for 94 Mike November.
30 vector sequence. Southwest 2038, 170 knots are graded to the final approach fixed contact tower. Good morning. Southwest 2107, cleared ILS 26 right approach.
Clear the ILS 26 right approach, South 2107.
Frontier 1699, turn right heading 060.
Right turn heading 060, Frontier flight 1699.
4 Mike November, radar contact 4 west of Riverside, maintain VFR 3000 for now, heading 260.
260 3000 for 94 Mike November.
Over there, base.
Number 4 Mike November, turn left heading of 220.
Left 220 for 94 Mike November.
Frontier 16, 4 Mike November on navigation.
On navigation for 94 Mike November, thanks.
Southwest 2107, contact SoCal 127.0.
270, 2107.
4 Mike November, climb approved on navigation, say altitude requesting.
We'll go 4,500 for 94 Mike November.
Thank you. Number 94 Mike November, contact SoCal 124.6. Have a good day.
24.6 for 94 Mike November. Good morning. SoCal, good morning. Scally 94 Mike November, 4,500.
Cali 94 Mike November, SoCal, welcome back. Altimeter 3019, advise Alpha at Whiteman and maintain VFR at or above 3000.
19er, outer breath 3000, we'll get Alpha for 94 Mike November.
November 4 Mike November, County Burbank Tower, 118.7.
18.7 for 94 Mike November. Good morning.
Good morning.
Burbank Tower, Skyline 94 Mike November, 3000, transitioning to Whiteman.
Skyline 94 Mike November, Burbank Tower, Burbank altimeter 3019er, cancel altitude restrictions, direct Whiteman approved.
3019er restriction cancel for 94 Mike November, thank you, sir.
It's 783 Burbank Tower.
And IFR condition. Advise on initial contact via Alpha.
Okay.
Whiteman Tower information Alpha 1555 Zulu, wind calm, visibility 10 miles, sky clear, temperature 13, dew point -5, altimeter 3018. VOR Alpha runway 12 approaching use, landing departing runway 12. Hazardous weather information available on flight service frequencies. AirMet Sierra active for mount obscurations and IFR conditions.
IFR
Advise on
conditions.
initial contact via Alpha.
Oh,
See what I mean?
yeah,
What IFR conditions?
right.
4 Mike
see him.
November, register runway, keep the code, contact Whiteman Tower 135.0.
We're switching 94 Mike November. Good morning.
Good morning.
Whiteman Tower, good morning. Cessna 94 Mike November over Burbank inbound with Alpha full stop.
Cessna 94 Mike November, Whiteman Tower, follow the 5 freeway and a right downwind runway 12.
Follow the 5 for right downwind for runway 12 for Skyline 94 Mike November. All right.
Whiteman Tower, Cessna 326 Lima Papa, holding short, runway 12, requesting left coast traffic.
Cessna 6 Lima Papa, make left coast traffic, runway 12, clear for takeoff.
Runway 12, clear for takeoff, Cessna 326 Lima Papa.
Cessna 26 Foxtrot, runway 12, taxi Alpha.
Runway 12, taxi Alpha, 26 Foxtrot.
Cessna 0 Echo Papa, what type landings would you like?
Touch and goes for 30 Echo Papa.
Cessna 0 Echo Papa, runway 12, clear touch and go, on the go, make a left, close traffic.
Clear for 12, for touch and go, make left, close traffic, 30 Echo Papa.
All right, cool. They'd like you to stay on this side.
Right.
That is the 5, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Yeah. I think this is, well, that's the 5. It comes out that way.
Yeah. It's heading to Palmdale.
Yeah. All right. Yep.
Good
Takeoff.
And Tower Skyline 94 Mike November is right downwind midfield.
Skyline 4 Mike November, extend downwind.
We'll extend downwind for 94 Mike November. Yeah.
That guy.
Yep. See how nice autopilot is?
Yeah, it's nice.
Skyline 4 Mike November, base approved, runway 12, clear to land.
Runway 12, clear to land for 94 Mike November.
So 6 Lima Papa, extend down.
Extending down, 16 Lima Papa.
Alright, right. Oh man, that sun, I forgot we're gonna be. Alright, gas undercarriage is secure and fixed, mixture, seatbelts prop.
Whiteman Tower, 2126 Foxtrot, holding short 12 at Alpha, left close traffic.
Cessna 26 Foxtrot, hold short, runway 12.
Hold short 12, 2126 Foxtrot.
Alright, we're looking good, winds are calm.
Whiteman Tower, Cessna 252, Sierra Papa, holding short of 12 in the run-up area. We're ready for straight out departure. We'll be traveling through, transitioning through Burbank.
Cessna 6 Lima Papa, base approved, runway 12, clear to land.
Base approved, runway 12, clear to land, 6 Lima Papa.
Gas undercarriage.
Cessna 252 Sierra Papa, Whiteman Tower, taxi up, hold short, runway
Clear
12.
land.
Are you landing Burbank or transitioning?
Transitioning Burbank to El Monte, 2 Sierra Papa.
Cessna 2 Sierra Papa, roger. You
Two
need
red,
a
we're
code for
low.
that. In the future, please advise me on ground frequency if you're going to be transitioning Burbank.
Roger that. Next time we'll be on
Now we're on glide.
ground frequency, unfamiliar with the
One
area.
red, one white.
Cessna 2 Sierra Papa, roger. Class Charlies always require a code to go through, just for future reference.
One red, two red.
Whiteman Tower, Skyhawk 430, Echo Pop, midfield downwind for 12.
Cessna 0 Echo Papa, extend downwind.
Extend downwind, 30 Echo Pop.
That was a ding.
Cessna 2 Sierra Papa, are you Skyhawk or Skyline?
Skyhawk.
That was for Cessna 2 Sierra Papa. Cessna 252 Sierra Papa, Whiteman Tower. Are you a Skyhawk or a Skyline?
Skyhawk 252 Sierra Papa. Flank golf.
Skyline 4 Mike November, turn left at the end, taxi to parking V Alpha.
Yeah, Alpha with you for 94 Mike November. Alright. Alright, lights can come off.
Skyhawk 73 Tango Juliet, Whiteman ground, runway 12, taxi V Alpha.
Well, and it's just a lot more power too, so.
Yeah.
Cessna 0 Echo Papa, base approved, runway 12, clear touch and go.
Base approved for 12, 0 Echo Pop.
Cessna Cessna 0 Echo Papa, runway 12, clear touch and go.
Clear for touch and go on 120 Echo Papa.
It was pitch black when we left.
I know.
Taxi back to runway 12, be Alpha.
Cessna 6 Lima Papa, runway 12, taxi Alpha.
Runway 12, taxi be Alpha, 6 Lima Papa.
Cessna 2 Sierra Papa, make a straight out departure at or below 2,500, runway 12, clear for takeoff.
Straight out, 12, clear for takeoff, 252 Sierra Papa.
At or below 2,500, 2 Sierra Papa.
Below 2,500, 2 Sierra Papa. Tower 0 Papa, request that right down.
Yeah, we'll park like between these two, facing
Okay.
that way.
Okay.
Is what we're gonna do. Yeah. All right, VFR,
Okay.
and if